guys, good morning. It's a sunny morning today. It could have been a normal Sunday if I wasn't cleaning the apartment. Yes, I am moving out of this apartment, so I think this would be the last time that you would see this background. I'm moving out because this apartment is unfortunately closing for renovation, and so I have to find a new place for me. It's a little bit of a tour at the same time, like I'll be showing you all my mess in this drawer and that corner. I don't know when was the last time I've cleaned this house. You'll be seeing mess and more mess. It's around 8 in the morning now and my tea's not hot anymore. We'll be just here for today. Let's start cleaning up now. Firstly, I am glad to start this cleaning session on my vanity/working table. And also underneath this is where I put my toiletries and my hair stuff. Yeah, let's do this. These pink and yellow flowers were my tent decorations since February. Time to take you down, babies. Currently, I'm arranging leftover stocks that I hoarded from the Philippines, such as pork cubes, sinigang mix. Tipid-tipid lang talaga, guys, is the key. This apartment is generous with cabinet, yet I still manage to jumble most of my things. It's just that the more random things are, the easier for me to recall where I placed it. Okay, this shoe rack is not your regular storage. Can you believe it? I placed my canned goods and face masks beside my sandals. Brilliant, right? But on a serious note, I invested 1 pair of running shoes and 2 pairs of sandals only for 2 years. I don't know how the hell I've done that. Baka dahil walang Parisian brand dito. Anyway, here's a weird time lapse of my closet cleaning. Way back, I only have this small luggage in the duffel bag because I was expecting that I'll only spend 3 months here in Vietnam. Now, I'll also have this medium luggage. Let's fill this up with more clothes. And guess what? Okay guys, nalagay ko na lahat ng gamit ko dito sa aking medium luggage. But wait, hindi pa pala yan lahat ng damit ko. Meron pa guys. Ayan siya. I don't have enough storage anymore. So I decided to grab this walis tambo. I'm figuring out if I kept enough extra large plastic bags to fill it up with the clothes that are still waiting in my cabinet. Okay guys, kain po muna ako. Dry rice. Which is good. Okay guys, it's lunchtime. I'll feast a bit with this homemade Japanese curry made by yours truly from yesterday's dinner. What I'm going to miss in this apartment. Ang dami kong memories dito. It's been around 6 months. And probably mamimiss ko are the appliances first. Yan, yung mga material things muna. Yung mga appliances like my aircon. Mostly yung mga gamit dito guys are new. Like I have an inverter aircon and I have a 2-stove induction. I have my own washing machine. For a studio type guys, this is too much for a studio type para sa price niya. Price for studio type is siguro sabihin natin as low as 6.5 million to 10.5 million. So yun yung range, like cheapest is 6.5 or that would be like 13,000 pesos to range natin around 19,000 pesos. So, yan. Basically, yun yung range ng mga studio type dito. So, one thing that I'll miss also is the accessibility niya. Because this apartment is closer to my work. Ayun. And then, medyo sentro siya. City center siya. So, ayan. I'm closer to all the districts. One more is the food choices. Ang daming food choices dito. I'm near the Tandem Market and I'm also close to District 1. Yan yung mga central preferably if you'll move in, magandang place or magandang location yung District 3. Hindi siya super high-end, hindi naman siya, and kumbaga, affordable yung prices in this district. I'm not going to miss our, of course, ayun, obviously that one, the motorbikes in the morning and yan, almost every time. So, there's a bit of noisiness in this area kasi medyo congested siya, guys. Kasi siya, more on residential area and medyo maraming apartments also around my place. What I'm not going to miss, number 2, guys, is the curfew in my apartment. The gate closes 10 or 11 p.m. Ayun, so that's not really ideal for me since I'm an artist and I have to have that flexibility in the gate. Minsan, I would go home around, sabihin natin around 1 or 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. Depende. It depends on my schedule. Minsan, I'm waiting around 30 minutes. Ayun, para pagbuksan ni Kuya. Super sleepy na din, pero I have to wait. Siyempre, it's not the usual time of a worker to go home. So, hindi naman ako nag-expect na every time na kumatok ako is gising si Kuya. So, ayun. So, medyo cons yun for both of us. Basically, parang yun lang yung concern ko, but mostly okay ako sa apartment na to. My kitchen has 14 cabinets. Yes, 4 cabinets. Oh man, did I still manage dishonoring this apartment. Anyway, I'm discovering condiments that I haven't seen for months. Empty box. Tutuos na kami ng ref. Ito yung pinaka-iniiwasan ko dito. I put everything on top of this ref after I cook. Let's clean that up. Okay, so I've moved in here since mid-August 2020. It's March now, so I haven't cleaned this top part of my ref roughly 7 months. I will totally understand if you have second thoughts on unsubscribing. On the other hand, I am cleaning my kitchen sink more often. I find this time genuinely therapeutic. It helps on slowing down my mind and reflecting on things that really matter. Well, that was very serious of me. Anyway, my 2-stove induction is the cherry on top. Best feeling in the world? Cooking your pasta and your pasta sauce simultaneously. Agree? Nope. Okay. Cleaning is made easy with all the time lapses that I've filmed. I'll just put all my things in this corner and... Hey there, guys. Hey there, guys. So I am done packing and cleaning up this apartment. And I am actually feeling super sleepy and tired, a little bit of hungry at the same time. It's been almost 9 or 10 hours of cleaning and packing. And yeah, finally I am done. Thank you for watching this cleaning update today. And sana abangan nyo yung next chapter ko on my next apartment. Bye-bye to our apartment. Say bye-bye. I'm gonna miss this place a lot. Let's go watch it. My apartment, and thank you for all the memories.